Guys, what's up? It's Mark the Big Ride Guy here. I am attempting to go over a place they call Flowery Trail Pass, and it's a really nice bunch of good turns, but unfortunately it's 34 degrees out. As you can see, maybe, as there's snow still on the ground around here, and the corners that are shady. Not to mention, still gravel, quite a bit of gravel on the road, and yeah, gunk. So I was hoping to blast up here, but unfortunately, maybe we're just gonna have to chat about what's going on and go from there. So hey, there's a car coming up. That ought to be fun. But anyhow, let's get out of here. See what happens. Yeah, so as far as what's going on in my life, um, you know, recently I posted a video kind of talking about how lost my job, just try to have faith and figuring, and just letting God do his thing with that. And man, that's been what a journey. I'll tell you what, it's kind of started out with, having to, basically just having to put 110% faith in God to figure it out, because things were getting a little tight and didn't know what to do. So, and I'm still not out of the woods. But that being said, just miracle after miracle, literally day after day. And I know it's because we're putting God first. We're waking up every morning, talking to Him, praying with Him, getting His word for our day. And the days that we've gone out, we've got a company called Network Technologies Pro now, and it's kind of my background, and so we just decided to go ahead, and God just gave us the go-ahead to do it and to move forward with it. So anyhow, I just put everything I've got in terms of effort into that. But it's funny because He hasn't really allowed us to just go out and do sales like normally I would. I'd be out there 24/7. But literally, we've just felt like we just need to wait on Him and not get too crazy with it. Well, long story short is that we've been able to, every time we've gone out, we've gotten sales, and we're talking like every place we've gone, not some of them, but every one of them. There's only been, I think, maybe one or two that have been like, yeah, we're definitely going to use you guys in the past, but we don't have anything right now. So anyhow, it's been staying busy doing that, and that's been awesome. And then I got some other stuff in works with a medical supplier that's wanting me to do some stuff for him, and really excited and hoping that works out. And just it's a new season. It's time to I guess if we're talking about what time of year it is, it's time to plant and seed a good crop, so that we can have the blessings of the Lord this coming season and this year, and really just focus on Him. And man, looking around in the world, seeing the changes that are happening, and just the craziness, it's time for people to just wake up and realize that it's time to choose a side and decide, if you're going to allow God to work in your life, or if you're going to just keep running around doing what you've been doing, because we all know that gets us nowhere, and anything that we do get out of it is always pretty temporary, and it's of this world, and it's not fruitful. So anyhow, I'm going to wrap that 5-second sermon up, and oh wow, we got some wacko dude walking in the road. That's awesome. And the person in front of me just dusted me out. So hey. What else? I've been just dying to ride, man. We went over to Moscow, Idaho. I took my fiance over to Moscow, which is, I don't even know how, maybe a 3-hour drive or ride, 2.5 hours, something like that, 3 hours. But we did that, and that was a lot of fun. We did that for Valentine's Day. So awesome chick, right? Wants to go take an overnight ride for Valentine's Day. So did that, had a blast. Oh look, this is where all the hippies hang out. This is like literally like the place where they all, especially during the summer. Obviously hippies die during the winter, right? I think they do. They must go someplace warm. But during the summer, they all live there for free and make a huge mess, and it's pretty disgusting and stupid. So Nothing against hippies. I think, you know, if you're not an idiot, that's cool, but these guys are idiots. Anyhow, more about this road. This road is a fun road. And I guess I can talk a little bit more about some of the accessories I got over the winter that just now I'm getting to test. So first thing is, let's talk about this bag. It's cumbersome, it's freaking huge, but you know what? I cannot say I want to live without it. Look at that view. I don't know if you guys can see it since my camera's mounted on the other side, but we'll get on the way back down. Anyhow, this bag is really cumbersome, but I don't want to live without it because otherwise I'd have to bring my side bags for all the crap I want to bring. So, hey, look at all the gravel. Yay. Oh, crap. It's happening now. Anyhow, so the bag's good. It's not very good quality, but I think it cost me $30-some, and that I am excited about. Okay, gonna go down a different rabbit hole now. Just an FYI for any of you guys that come and ride this Flowery Trail road. Literally, you gotta watch out for bear and moose and deer. And I wish I had my camera on about 20 minutes ago because I had a herd of elk running beside me, and it was the coolest thing ever. I kind of spooked them by revving my motor, and they started running right beside me, and that was awesome, beautiful. But yeah, this is such a great road when it's all cleaned off. I mean, it's just a haul, but watch out for animals road. Anyhow, the Senna 20S or whatever, or S20. I never remember which one it is, but so I bought one of those, and so far, gosh, man, I'd say I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the quality of the sound. I'm happy with the quality of, like, you know, just how everything works and blah blah blah. But man, I sit there and I charged it all up and had it totally ready for this ride. I plugged it in for an entire day and should be ready to go. I think it sat not being charged for 2 days, and here it is the day of the ride, and it was completely dead. So that's why, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a cord plugged into my cigarette lighter, which is now not plugged in. Awesome. So now I'm going to do something totally dangerous and take my hands off and yeah. Okay, so that's fun. Breaking news. What else? So I've been relatively happy with it. Let's just put it that way. As far as, I don't know, as far as like, okay, so then I had it connected to my fiance's cheap Bluetooth pile of poo, and it worked, but it was really annoying because I could just, her mic was constantly open, so all I could hear is just wind noise in her helmet, and it was driving me nuts. So I go out and I buy her an SMH10, thinking that'll solve that issue, right? Well, sure it does. But my other complaint, which wasn't fixed in that, is that I wanted to have her be able to I wanted to share music with her so that she can listen to what I'm listening to, and she could be back there changing whatever up. Yeah, not so much. That didn't work out so well. So, big bummer on that. Pretty sad about that. That it actually doesn't work like that, which makes no sense to me. But it's the truth. Nice. God, all these cattle guards drive me nuts. So hopefully in a firmware update or something, they'll fix that to where the SMH10 can share music with the S20 or 20S, whatever it is. What else? Bought that Icon jacket that I think I've showed you guys, and I love it. It's colder than crap. It's 32 degrees out right now, currently right here. So I'm not wearing that. I'm wearing my warm jacket, but I do really like it, and it does really let a lot of air through because I wore it on the way back with an underlayer from Moscow, and man, it lets the air through just like it should. So I'm excited to use that this summer. Plus I think it looks really cool. And what else did I get? Oh, the Bluetooth pack. You know what? So I got the Senna Bluetooth pack for the GoPro. I'll tell you what, I don't know what to say about that, because there's been a few times that I've gotten done with a ride and the audio didn't work. and or didn't record. And I think there's a way to fix that by maybe doing like the overlay or something so you can hear yourself talk. But if I hear myself talk for that long, it's going to take all the pleasure out of my ride because I really don't like to hear myself talk, believe it or not, even though I'm doing this. So anyhow, really this ride today is just to get out. And I was really hoping that these roads would be a little bit nicer and I could rip it up a little bit, but it's just not worth it trying today. I need a new rear tire, so you know, just gonna kind of have a little bit of fun, but nothing worth writing home about. Figured I'd take you guys along on this ride, and you can see what Flowery Trail Road is all about. That is, if I make it out alive. It's again 32 degrees, so got to be a little bit cautious in the shady spots, and shady or not, everything's got gravel on it. So really pretty area though. And if you're wondering how to get here, oh yeah, I'll slow down just a little bit on the gravel. If you're wondering how to get here, I go from Newport, Washington, over towards Usk, and then I cut up at Usk. You cut up Flowery Trail Pass, and that's where we're at. I guess the other way would be, because this takes you to Chewelah, Washington, so the other way would be to go to Chewelah. This kind of blows. It kind of takes the whole fun out of what I'm trying to do here, which is have corners to go cruising around. I mean, it literally takes the fun out of it. So maybe this is stupid, but maybe what I'll do is go over the pass, and then we will come back a different way. We'll see if we can't find, I don't know. I guess it's all going to kind of suck. As far as, you know, if you find a twisty road, it's going to have gravel on it still, but I guess we'll just chill out and watch for bears and moose and cows and things of that nature. And if you're getting wind noise now, I apologize. It's because my visor's fogging up a little bit. Now, if any of you guys are watching this video and saying, "Oh man, what's he talking about? That gravel's not that big of a deal," I'd be drifting around those corners with that gravel. Well, more power to you. Apparently, I'm a sucky rider, and I'm okay with that. I'm out here having fun. I have a family, and I think they want me to come back. So, believe me, if I thought my skill level was up there enough, I'd be doing it. Because I do like to ride hard. Nice, nice, nice. It's cold up here still. But you know what? I'm warm, so what's that tell you? That tells you that the ergonomics of the 2012 Kawasaki Concours 14 are beautiful. Oh, great. Hazard ahead. Really? Anyhow, keeps you nice and the wind off, and I've got this kind of dopey looking tall windscreen here that's adjustable. As you can see, it's going down now, which makes it windy and cold. Going up now, which takes all the cold off my face and everything else, but also makes me fog up. So yeah, here we go. This is straight up Snowville. Huh. It's almost the part where you wonder if you should be going back about now. Nah. Nah. Not gonna do it. Although at this rate, man, I'm gonna be on this road for a long time. Maybe once we get down the backside, I don't know. What'd be really fun is if we had a live Facebook link going on right now, and you guys could all chime in and vote and say, should I keep going or turn back? Oh yeah, that's right. This is a ski resort up here. Yeah, I forgot about that. Nice. 49 degrees north. Up that way. Said no dude. Oh, there's some dude walking along. Dudes walking along. Nice, they're waving. It's cool. What is that? Big old Jenny's or something. Oh. Man, I've never seen this road from this low of speed. It's pretty, but it's kind of boring at this speed. As far as the road itself, it's got some bumpy spots. So if you're gonna ride it, I recommend that you kind of hit it a couple times, like, you know, go one way on it and you know, check out the hazards and the bumps and the wobbles, and then you know, then blast it back. I guess this would be the top, eh? Now we go down gravel road. Kind of cool back in there, a bunch of nice little houses up in the mountains. You see the Rockies way over there. I think those are Rockies, right? I don't know. Canadian mountains, actually. So I don't know what they are. But Canada's that way. Very quick, very close, like 60 minutes. Trying to figure out if you guys would actually like to watch a long video like this. Basically, you're just cruising forever. I think to me, to watch this, I would get bored out of my mind unless the guy was dropping a knee on every corner. This isn't going to be interesting to me. So I don't know. I might just post it up as is, and if you guys could give me at least, you know, some likes or comments saying, hey, way too long, not gonna work for me, or yeah, I really liked coming along with you on that trip, I'd appreciate it, because I think I need to do one of these really long ones just once, just to see what the reaction is. And nice rocks everywhere. Yeah, this is no bueno. It's pretty stupid to ride down. But I'm hoping this is at least giving you guys some sort of motivation to hit this road, or at least an idea of whether or not you would want to. Nice little bump right there. Watch for that one when you're doing a $120. Nice sweepers. Beautiful views. Just a lot of gravel. Let's try out the ABS, shall we? Let's do it. Oh, yeah, there it goes. A little bit. Traction control? No, put it in first gear. Didn't really have to kick in there. Let's try it right here. Oh yeah, big time. She knocked her down for me. Like it. don't we wish we were hauling butt right now? Wah. Big question is how am I getting home not going back over this pass? I think I'm going to have to take a really, really long way around. Whoa, hey. Guess we are out of the national forest now. But really, I just wish we were riding these corners hard, because these are really fun corners. What's this guy up to? Changing a tire or something. Look at the view! Would you look at it? Just look at it. Just look at it. Kinda nice, isn't it? Kinda nice. Real nice. This corner's real nice too. Why am I going slow? Because there's gravel on it, on it, on it. I just want to tuck, duck, and go. Ah, you suck. Man, I seriously wonder if anybody else was this stupid and did this ride today. I haven't seen a bike yet. I haven't even seen many cars. Not gonna lie. If you guys see a bear in this video, please leave a link in the comments at what time you saw it in the video, what minute and second, because it's totally likely out here. I'm just trying to pay attention to the road, so not really getting much chance to look for wildlife. Oh, blah, blah, blah. I think we are just about in Chewelah. And then we will figure out what the heck we're doing from there. Pretty sweet up there. Let's just stay out of that place. Well, I guess if I have to define myself as any type of one type of rider or another, I guess I don't really know how to do that, but I can say this, that I really do like beautiful scenery, but I much rather have fun roads, fun curves, pushing it a little bit, testing my limits. That's fun riding to me. This is more like I don't know, getting the groceries or something. I don't know. I shouldn't complain though. I'm on a bike having a good time, so I'm gonna shut up now and just enjoy it. Oh my God, it's a biker. What do you know? El Ranchito. Tires and Mexican food, apparently. I don't know. See if there's any place to pull over and swap out my batteries and chill for a second. Like this town, like this area. Just surrounded by mountains. Pretty. About the gist of this town, I suppose. I don't know. I guess there's more down that way, but that way is the Canadian border, and that's not getting me home. So we'll go this way. Unstayed, mouse something, quick something. Oh god, dig it, burger, dig it, Raging Cajun. I don't know what that is, but it sounds yum. Anything that says Raging Cajun, sounds like spicy, yummy food to me. Huh, well I guess we're going this way. Wow, it's a pretty bad one. Like, it looks like that used to be McDonald's or something. Not anymore. Okay, let's go all the way around those mountains now. Let's try that. See what's happening. What's happening? Should we hit it? See what's happening? And that's all I can do without getting a reckless driving ticket. That's fun. Oh well. Now we'll just cruise. Okay, I'm gonna shut off my Bluetooth pack so I can listen to my tunes. So, catch you guys later.
You won't always win.